A beautifully designed home not only helps lift your image in your own social circle, but it will also make them feel comfortable in the new surroundings. This can go a long way in helping you move forward in both personal and professional life. How would you feel if your date ran away after taking one look at your home? So to help you out, here are the 10 ways of making home more beautiful. 1. Make it calm. Peace at home comes from feeling comfortable and secure, as well as being able to live easy. A calm home gives you the functionality to live your daily life without hassle and frustration. Choose a soothing color palette. Use soft, neutral colors such as pale blues, greens, grays, and whites to create a calm and serene environment. Avoid bold and bright colors, which can be stimulating and overwhelming. A calm room gives you the support you need to relax and recharge. And it gives you a sense of belongings and meaning, so you feel at home. 2. Eliminate not much usable things. Non-usable things. If you kept in your home, then it makes your home dirty, so donate anything that you do not use regularly, or that is not beautiful or meaningful in your eyes. Expires items, old magazines, broken things, plastic and paper bag, etc. Things you have, keep outside of your home. Get rid of things that make your home untidy. Just keep usable, beautifully things around the home. Simple decorations make your home beautiful, and eliminating things you don't actually use makes the home neat and clean. 3. Bring in natural elements. Natural elements make your home more beautiful and natural. Every home should have something natural in it, like living plants, flowers, natural wood or stone, branches. Choosing natural elements that incorporate your style and connect you to your interiors. 4. Bring special items out in the open. You should hang our favorite piece of art, photos, album, picture. It make our home not only beautiful, also flashback memory. And it makes us smile. A wall clock can be a beautiful decor piece. It also make your wall beautiful. 5. Let the light in. Open up your windows, and give them a good cleaning as well. Exposure to daylight has been linked to improvements in our well-being and mood, and in the home, natural light can make a room lighter and brighter and give the feeling of more space. Lighter colors your walls by banishing statement wallpaper and dark block colors in favor of a soft shade of white paint. Shade of white will make a space feel brighter as it reflects the natural light entering the room, rather than absorbing it. 6. Carve out your special spot. It is very special place. You can crave your spot in different place like garden, bedroom, living room. You can decorate your crave spot in different ways, and also you can use for rest, tea, hangout, office work, yogasht, thinking chair. You just have to get creative and try craving out a home office area in one of these clever ways. You can arrange a comfortable armchair, a footstool, a reading lamp, and a table for sitting down your drink and book. 7. Make it welcoming. The entryway that you use daily should be a welcoming area that is clean, clutter-free and organized. Entryways to our homes create one of two immediate impressions: are feeling welcoming and peaceful. 8. Make it warm and cozy. Layer textiles and textures to warm up rooms and make them feel lived in. Bring in small comforts, like pillows. Throws. One of the easiest way to change the look, feel and seasonal style of your room is to change your pillow covers. It's one of my favorite tricks for a cozy living room, and it's easy to learn how to mix and match patterns and styles. There are a variety of ways to bring in warm metals to your home. Search for antique silver-plated pieces at thrifted stores. Add a fresh brass tray to your coffee table or a mirror to your walls. Plants, flowers, fruits and vegetables bring so much life to a space. Many more things make home warm and cozy. 9. Group collections together. Grouping things together makes a more memorable impact and also keeps them from cluttering many spots. Dedicate a shelf for your antique bottle collection. Display your vacation shells or sea glass in vintage jars. Put your antique postcards or spoons into frames and hang them as a gallery. Your collection say a lots about you, show them up proudly. 10. Treat your home well. We spend most of our time at home, so it should promote our best health. That means having clean air and toxins keep it clean. Make a habit of tidying up clutter before it gets out of control. Only doing decorations not make home well and beautiful. We should also clean our home and we should not mess things everywhere. It looks so untidy. Make your bed every day. Don't leave walls in a spare room bare and sad. Give your home some love, and it will love you back.